Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use digital well-being feature to limit your screen time for specific apps. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're using an Android device, all you can do is simply tap open your settings. So once you're in your settings section, go in your search bar and type in digital well-being. So once you're in your digital well-being, all you can do is simply scroll down below and go in your app timers. So once you have selected your app timers from the menu, you can simply select an app, find the app you want to limit on list and tap on the hourglass icon or set the timer option right next to it. And once this is done, you can choose the duration you want to limit your uses for that particular app and tap on done. So this is how you can simply use your digital well-being feature to limit screen time for specific apps. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.